Good morning. Our lesson is all about solving real-life problems involving GCF and LCM. Read and analyze the problem. A lighthouse flashes its light every 12 minutes. Another lighthouse flashes every 18 minutes. If the two lighthouses flashes together at 10 p.m., at what time will they next flash together? So, meron dalawang lighthouse. Yung isang lighthouse nagpa-flash every 12 minutes. Yun namang isa, nagpa-flash every 18 minutes. Kung yun daw dalawang lighthouses ay nag-flash ng sabay ng alas 10 ng gabi, anong oras daw sila ulit magpa-flash ng sabay? So we can apply what we have learned in finding the LCM. Follow the steps in finding the LCM. Write horizontally, yung 12 at 18. So, pwede natin siyang i-divide sa 2 na prime number. 12 divided by 2, 6. 18 divided by 2, 9. So, 6 at 9, pwede pang i-divide sa prime number na 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3, 3. So, next step, i-multiply mo yung divisor, which are 2 and 3. And also, the numbers in the final row, which are 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 is equal to 36 minutes. So sa 36 minutes, sabay silang magpa-flash. Kung nagsabay silang noong alas 10 ng gabi, i-add mo lang dun sa 10. So therefore, the time of the next flash together is at 10:36 p.m. So magsasabay ulit silang mag-flash. Read and solve. There are 48 girls and 80 boys which grouped separately. Each group have the same number of children. What is the largest possible number of children in each group? So meron daw 48 girls and 80 boys na nakagroup. Ang bawat group daw ay merong parehas ng bilang ng children. So ano daw yung pinakamalaking possible number na meron sa isang grupo? So we can apply what we have learned in finding the GCF. Write horizontally, 48 and 80. Divided by 2. 48 divided by 2, 24. 80 divided by 2, 40. Again, we can divide by 2. 24 divided by 2, 12. 40 divided by 2, 20. Again, divide by the prime number 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 20 divided by 2, 10. We can divide 6 and 10 by the prime number 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 10 divided by 2, 5. So, we cannot divide 3 and 5. Next step, multiply the divisors. So, apat na 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 16. So, therefore, the largest possible number of children in each group is 16. Solve each problem using applications of LCM and GCF. In art class, Mrs. Lucia had 36 sheets of green paper and 30 sheets of blue paper. If Mrs. Lucia wanted to give an equal number of each type of paper, how many sheets of paper should each pupil get? So, sa art class daw ni Mrs. Lucia, merong 36 na green paper at 30 sheets of blue paper. Ayun, ipapamahagi niya ng may equal number yung papel. Ilang sheets daw ng paper ang makukuha ng bawat estudyante. So, ang hinahanap dito, GCF ng 36 at 30. So, saan natin pwedeng i-divide ang 36 at 30 na prime number? Sa 2. 36 divided by 2, 18. 30 divided by 2, 15. Madidivide pa ba ang 18 at 15 sa isang prime number? Yes, pwede pa. Sa 3. 18 divided by 3, 6. Then 15 divided by 3, 5. So, hindi na madidivide yung 6 tsaka 5. Ang next step natin, i-multiply natin yung divisors, which are 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, 6 sheets of paper each pupil ang matatanggap nila. Number 2, Luis picked 40 tomatoes in the morning and 24 eggplants in the afternoon. He wants to put them equal in the plastic bags. What is the largest number of vegetable that he can put in plastic bags? So, ang hinahanap dito ay GCF ng 40 at 24. So, namitas daw ng 40 tomatoes si Luis noong umaga at 24 eggplants in the afternoon. So, ilalagay niya sa plastic bags equally. Pare-parehas ng bilang yung nasa plastic bags. What is the largest number of vegetable that he can put in plastic bags? Ano daw yung pinakamarami na bilang ng vegetable na mailalagay niya sa plastic bags? So, find the GCF of 40 and 24. Saan natin i-divide ang 40 at 24? Saang prime number? So, sa 2, 40 divided by 2, 20. 24 divided by 2, 12. Madidivide pa ba natin ang 20 at 12 sa isang prime number? So, pwede pa sa 2. 20 divided by 2, 10. 12 divided by 2, 6. Madidivide pa ba natin ang 10 at 6? Pwede pa sa 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. 6 divided by 2, 3. So, hindi na natin pwedeng i-divide yung 5 tsaka 3. So, our GCF is 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Number 3, Jerwin exercises every 12 days and Nikki every 8 days. Jerwin and Nikki both exercise today. How many days will be until they exercise together again? So, si Jerwin daw, nag-exercise every 12 days. At si Nikki naman, nag-exercise every 8 days. Si Jerwin daw at si Nikki ay nag-exercise today o ngayon. Sa ilang araw sila magsasabay ulit na mag-exercise. So, the problem asks for the LCM of 12 and 8. Ang hinahanap lang dito yung LCM ng 12 tsaka 8. So, ano kaya prime number ang pwedeng ipandivide sa 12 tsaka 8? 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 8 divided by 2, 4. Pwede pa bang i-divide ang 6 at 4? Sa ang prime number? Sa 2. 6 divided by 2? 3. 4 divided by 2? 2. So, hindi na natin madidivide yung 3 at saka 2 dahil prime number na sila pareho. So, next, i-multiply natin yung divisors, which are 2 and 2. And the numbers in the final row, which are 3 and 2. So, 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 is equal to 24 days. So, magsasabay ulit sila pagkatapos ng 24 days. So, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now and God bless po. Salamat!